Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the place or the position of this button. Like, this is the skill move. You can change to the left, or this move button or direction button go to the right pause, and vice versa. So what you need to do is tap the pause and go to gameplay, tap the gameplay, scroll down, and this one, game controls, virtual stick on the left and skill moves button on the right. Turn it on. Back to the gameplay. As you can see, the direction button is on my right, and the skill like slide, switch, and others on my left. So if you prefer, or are you a leftist maybe, just turn it on. Or if you prefer this like the default on the right, skill move on the right, and direction button I mean in the left, on the left, please go to gameplay and preference setting button. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.